In this episode, I'll be sharing with you 5 sneaky ways you can hurt your credit score. There are actually things that you can do that will drop your credit scores. By the way, just a reminder, okay, I've shared this in the past, that you have 3 credit scores, okay? Most banks only pull 1 or 2. When you get a mortgage, they'll pull all 3 and then average it out. But there are ways that you can actually hurt that score. And so the first one is paying less than the minimum. If you're falling behind on your loans, like credit cards, automobile loans, and you're not paying at least the minimum, that can actually hurt your credit score. Even if you are quite honestly paying the minimum, but you're maxed out on your cards, your credit cards, right? That is going to hurt your score. Next one is holding a payment during a dispute. If you're disputing a credit card charge or automobile loan, whatever the actual dispute is, maybe they marked your credit and you feel it's an error, still make the payment so your scores don't get hit. But dispute the issue, okay? While you pay the payment. Next one is closing a card with a high credit limit. If you have a credit card, let's say, and it has a high credit limit and you go to close it, that is going to affect your score and drop it. Next one is adding an authorized user that overspends. If you're trying to build credit for your teenage kid and you want to add them on as an authorized user, that's a good idea. But if that authorized user goes out and swipes everything everywhere, right, and overspends, that's going to hurt your credit score as well. And the last one is overusing a balance transfer card. Constantly transferring over balance to balance, transferring over your balance from one card to the next because they offer you, 0% for a year. While that may be a good idea to pay down that debt, it will hurt your score until you pay it off. So you want to you want to have available credit. The more available credit you have versus how much you owe, if you have those gaps, I call them, right? That's going to help your score. But if you're overusing cards, you're maxing out credit cards, taking on too much debt, that's going to hurt your credit scores, okay? So share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this episode? What do you think about these ways that can actually hurt your credit score? Be honest, have you done any of these, one or all of these? Share that in the comments, don't be shy. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching this episode, and I'll see you next time.